Think reservations are only for big restaurants? Small restaurants can use online booking to make choosing them easier for new customers and encourage repeat visits. Phone calls, handwritten notes, online requests, and walk-ins can quickly turn one busy night into reservation confusion.
That means more chances for missed bookings, unclear table availability, longer waits, and frustrated guests at the door.
Online reservations let guests book when it is convenient without calling, while your restaurant keeps a more organized reservation flow.
Online and manually entered reservations can live together, helping your team see bookings, waiting guests, and table status more clearly. Table-ready notifications and organized guest information can reduce confusion, simplify communication, and help your team deliver smoother hospitality. Ready to make reservations easier? Click the link or scan the QR code to connect with POS Lead Pros today.